Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite, an amazing cake that will come together in minutes. That's totally vegan, no eggs, no butter, no problem, still very moist and comes together in seconds. Let me show you how to make it and let's get started. This is usually my lazy day cake. I dump all the ingredients together. I add the cocoa powder, the flour, and the sugar, and I mix. I'm not gonna sift any of the ingredients. It's supposed to be a very quick cake. Add the baking soda and the salt and mix very well. You don't want any bitter taste from the baking soda. And that's it. The dry ingredients are done. I set aside and I'm gonna work on the wet ingredients. I add 1 cup of water. To that I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a cup of vegetable oil. One tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Add the wet to the dry, mix very well. You're gonna bake at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. We're gonna use a loaf pan for baking. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And don't forget to grease the pan. I use the baking spray, but you can use some butter and flour. "35 minutes later, I have a great moist cake and it's still very warm. And what's gonna make it extra special and extra chocolatey is this special chocolate sauce that I made earlier. It's a hazelnut chocolate spread that's so creamy and so good and it's totally vegan. You can add it to the chocolate cake while it's still warm. Check out how I made this hazelnut chocolate spread. I'm gonna attach the link in the description box below. You won't even taste that this cake doesn't have eggs or butter. It's so moist and very flavorful. I hope you give it a try soon. And until next time, bon appétit!